6 p.m. Hell no.
AT&T sucks. Amen, sister girl.
Fucking motherfucker in there. I'm not even kidding. Hell. Fuck. Oh. Well, I swear, if my skin was a little darker, I would have been like, oh, hello, bitch, you better give me a, Like, I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. Oh my god, I thought I wasn't gonna get this angry, but my finger itch, and I didn't even get to eat dinner right. This is not funny. This isn't funny.
You call them bitches, Lena.
I called them 5,000 times. That's why I stopped working in second month. Ow. Ow, itch.
Thank you for calling in. Para español, prostitute.
One bitch.
Korean is number 7.
Shut up.
Do 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 do. I got strawberry. I'll put it back. Strawberry again. Strawberry again. What the fuck is the world coming to?
Office hours are
Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry.
Wow. Wow. 1-877-722-3755. The new number, bitch.
We can do this.